magiging video natin ngayon is all about... Hey guys, let's be here. Ay, electric fan. Hey guys, let's be here and what...
Wait, ulit.
Hey guys, let's be here and welcome back to my channel. So, the makeup look that we'll be having today is an online conference or meeting. So, itong look na to, like, pwedeng natural lang. Like, pampa-fresh lang siya. Kung bagong gising ka or wala ka pa naliligo or di ka pa nagtututbrush. This look is very flexible. If you want to go with more colors, with more vibrant colors, go lang. But this look is intended for a natural makeup look with the products that you're naturally using. Kung ano yung mas swak na product sa inyo and kung ano yung finish na mas gusto nyo. Without further ado, let's keep on watching the base. Flexible naman tong makeup na to. So, kung anong gusto mong coverage, okay lang. Ako, gusto ko na BB cream lang. Naka-cover niya na somehow yung pimples ko. Ang gamit naman na camera madalas is camera sa phone, camera sa laptop. So, kumbaga, hindi naman siya masyadong high quality para kitang-kita yung mga pimples ko, ganyan. Pero kayo bahala kung gusto niyo mag-foundation. Kunwari, kayo yung speaker. You can do whatever you want with this makeup. Kung anong gusto niyo yung coverage. And kung anong gusto niyo ring product, kung anong gusto niyo ring finish. Next, magka-concealer ako kasi may sugat ako sa mukha. Kung gusto nyo, diretso concealer na kaagad, huwag na kayo mag-BB cream, okay lang. Kung paano kayo mag-base nyo normally, gawin nyo lang yun. Tapos ako, gusto ko kasi matte yung itsura ko kasi hindi bagay sa akin yung dulo. So, sineset ko siya. Kaya na din bahala kung gusto nyo siya iset ng pressed powder or loose powder. Pero kasi so far, ang meron lang ako is loose powder. For the eyebrows, magsistick tayo sa natural. Yung saktuhan lang. At least magka-frame yung mukha mo. Yung magbibigay ng statement sa mukha mo. Yung kilay. Kaya nga kapag sobrang pakak ng kilay ng iba, diba? Parang ang first impression nagiging mataray. Yun na nag-frame ng mukha mo eh. And now that we're done with the eyebrows, let's start with the eyes. If you're aiming for a natural look, we'll just use natural colors. Yung iba, brown, light brown, pero I'll be using pink. Para mas ma-define yung crease. You can go on the darker shade with the pink color that I use. Kayong bahala kung gusto nyo or ayaw nyo mag-mascara for this look. Pero I'll be using one. Kung mahaba naman yung lashes nyo and kailangan nyo mag-curl lang, sana all. So now, we're done with the eyes. So, nasa lips na tayo. So, hindi mo naman kailangan mag-red lipstick unless kung gusto mo. But for me, it's not my style to really wear red lipstick. I'm suggesting you can use a tint or a lipstick that is close to your lip shade. MLBB, ganun. And that is the look. Ay, teka, wait lang. So that's it guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Just click subscribe kasi pinapanood nyo na rin naman ako. And I hope that I'll see you on my next one. Spread love! Paalam!